Hello everyone, this is just Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this 15-piece silicone cookware set. This is made by AOTHOD. So here we have, this is the ladle, a little bit of flexibility. The silicone covers the entire surface. A spatula, a little bit, but it is rigid right through here. Whisk, some tongs. We do get this nice little thing to put everything in, to set on the counter. This is for doing barbecue sauce. Yeah, these are really nice. This is going to be a nice one. Like a ladle with some strainer in it, a spoon. It's pretty rigid, but just a little flexibility at the end. Another big spatula. Let's just measure some of these. The spatula, 4 inches by about 12 inches. This one here, about 3 inches again. Everything's roughly around 12 inches. This one's 11 inches. A ladle, 12 inches. So this is a nice cookware set. I'm anxious to start using it. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.